In today's video, we're going to learn how to work out a fraction of an amount. Let's start with unit fractions. 1/5 of 15. When it's a unit fraction, we need to divide the number by the denominator. So 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3, so the answer is 3. Here's another one. 1/4 of 32. So we need to do 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8, so the answer is 8. Here's one more before we start looking at non-unit fractions. 1/3 of 21. So we need to do 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7, so the answer is 7. Now let's look at non-unit fractions. So let's look at 4/5 of 15. We start off with the same process. We divide the number by the denominator. So 15 divided by 5, which was 3. Then we need to multiply the answer by the numerator. So we do 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12, so the answer is 12. Now let's look at 3/4 of 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. So 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So the answer is 24. Let's have a look at one more. Let's look at 6/10 of 30. So first we divide the number by the denominator. Then we need to multiply the answer by the numerator. So 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So the answer is 18. Now it's your turn. 5/6 of 48. Let me know your answers in the comment section. So remember the process. Divide the number by the denominator and then multiply the answer by the numerator.